things people get wrong is using the wrong fixings into the structure. A lot of roller structures are generally fixed to brickwork. I prefer to fix to a frame. I'd rather fix a frame and then fix the door properly. If you're going to fix to brickwork, you've got to make sure that the structure is rock solid. The fixings you use are correct, not plastic screws. You've got to fix it tight. And if you're in doubt, certainly look at the options of putting a threading bar through the wall up near the top. If you're fixing on flat guides, make sure all the fixings are good. If you're fixing with raw end plates at the top and your fixings aren't good, go through the wall, put threading bars through the wall, get a proper spread plate on the back, make sure the heading is properly clamped back. Other simple mistakes on rollers are your guides. A lot of people stand the guides up. If they're not on a flat guide arrangement, on separate guides, they'll stand the guides up, mark them, drill them. They'll run all over the wall with the fixings and not get them in the right places. The guides travel in slightly, the curtain doesn't travel down. Another simple mistake is the levelling of the barrel. Again, if you've got flat guides must be at the same height. Keep the barrel square. Always check the floor level to make sure that the two guides are stood up properly.